Like you were catching me, so take the lead.
Just lead forward, like always.
But at least it's better than being in a car, right?
Absolutely. That's why I keep doing it.
Hello, Scoot friends. Today we are covering a lot of ground on our ride, many neighborhoods, and a little mystery await. Let's get scooting. I am out on a beautiful day in late October. It is 63 degrees Fahrenheit, 17 degrees Celsius at around 10 a.m. Currently, we are in the Goose Island neighborhood, heading northwest on Kingsbury. Turning westbound onto North Avenue. North Avenue is a busy road, and as it's 2 lanes, I'm taking the right one, giving plenty of room for cars to pass in the left. Traffic is light currently. I would love to tell y'all what neighborhood community I'm in currently, but for the life of me, I couldn't find it. It appears to be a tiny slice of the city without a designation. This seems impossible, so if someone out there knows, please let me know in the comments. Mr. Scootlady says I should claim it. How does Scootlady Park sound? Let's grab this bike lane on Elston and head northwest. So this little pocket is an industrial and retail area, so maybe there aren't any residences in here and that's why it has no neighborhood community, but it is in the 32nd ward and has an alderperson. Now we're back in claimed neighborhood community lands. Welcome to Bucktown. Mural on the left. Keep an eye on this truck. We're going to play quite a game of leapfrog. Murals alert, look right. Leapfrog with the truck is on. There is somebody blocking the micromobility lane trying to parallel park and someone getting out of their car, so a mirror and head check and a dip into the car lane to maneuver safely around them. Just as in driving a car, it is so important to keep an eye out for anything on the road, like this car that's going to turn in front of me. Did you see we caught our truck friend again? Semi-truck leaping by. If traffic was heavier, I would have left them in my dust. It must have been a particularly good song for all this tippy-tapping. I'm sure it's not impatience. A really, really good song. Leapfrog. Shout out to this right-turning driver for signaling all of their intentions. About to catch our truck again, but coming up on our right is world-famous Jim's Original, home of the original Maxwell Street Polish sausage sandwich. This isn't the original Jim's. The other location is further south by the University of Illinois Chicago on South Union Avenue. But even that one isn't technically the original store, as it had to be moved from the corner of Maxwell and Halsted to Union Street due to the university expanding in 2001. And now I've taken a really long way to say, if you want a great Polish sausage that has been operating since 1939, Jim's Original is the place to go. And across the intersection is an Al's Italian Beef, serving the best beef in Chicago since 1938. We are now entering the Avondale neighborhood community. Leapfrog truck is back again. Our turn to leap on by. Hey, look who's back. Did you hear them coming this time? And now we bid the truck farewell as we get ready to turn west on Belmont Avenue to take advantage of the protected bike lane. There is construction ahead. We've got to leave the lane and enter car traffic. Luckily, it was clear and we can head right back to our lane. Murals coming up on both sides. Keep an eye out. This is a great example of someone yielding to my right-of-way. And then the next car doesn't, turning left in front of me. Keep that head on a swivel. I refrained from ringing my fury bell. I'm such a fan of this bike lane, which sadly is about to come to an end. Bye, bike lane. I'll miss you. However, I've ridden through here recently and more construction work is being done on both sides, which looks like it could be a continuation west. I really hope so. Come on, bike lane. Mural to the right. Mural alert, 2 on the right. Who's ready to get back to a bike lane? Northwest on Milwaukee Avenue? Here we go. Why am I not in the bike lane? Watch the car in front of me. Energetic see me and fury bells right here. People love to creep through this stop sign. I've got 2 right here and cars coming into my lane from the left due to 1 turning at the intersection. Welcome to the Kilbourne Park neighborhood community. You might wonder why I would love scooting in the city so much with cars like this. Well, as the conversation said in the beginning, it's still absolutely better than driving. They're still there when I'm in my car, but road rage on the scooter is fleeting. Once the fury bell has rung, I smile again. Heading west on Addison, say goodbye to the bike lane. Mural on the left. There are no bike lanes on Addison, but if you check Google Maps, it's labeled as bike friendly. There are even little green signs with bicycles on them on some of the light poles. Let me know what you think. Does this street seem micro-mobility friendly to you? Welcome to the Portage Park neighborhood community. What do you think? Would you consider Addison bike friendly? Thanks Thanks for scooting with me. I'll see you next Wednesday. Same scoot time, same scoot channel. And if you've made it this far and haven't liked and subscribed yet, help a Scoot Lady out. And last but not least, have a spectacular day.